Hi everyone, I have a little surprise video for you today because I got my swag box for the OnStage at Home convention that we're doing. Look at this box, it's gorgeous. It looks like Coastal Cabana probably. Let me see. Is that Coastal Cabana? Oh, I think it is. Maybe Misty Moonlight and Bumblebee and Magenta Madness or Melon Mambo, perhaps. I think that's Melon Mambo. Yeah, I'd say so. Thank you very much. Stampin' Up. And let's open it together and see. So if you are a demonstrator that is going to OnStage and you ordered a swag box and yours hasn't come yet, you may not want to watch this right now. But if you weren't able to attend OnStage, it starts the 5th through the 7th. So for those of us that are going, normally we would get a little package at the convention. Like at least last year we got a nice backpack. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what we have, because I have not opened it. Oh, the box inside is even pretty. It looks like pumpkin pie, maybe? Is that pumpkin pie splashed all over it? I think it is. Appropriate given that it's fall. I may have to... Ooh, we have a bag in here. Let's see what this says. Let's see. Okay, a little message from Sarah Douglas, who is our CEO, Chief Executive Officer. She can't wait to virtually meet up with us and thousands of other demonstrators. Me too. See sneak peeks, lots of sneak peeks from the January to June mini catalog. Woohoo! And celebration. Me too. My swag box is packed with lots of fun stuff to enhance my own OnStage at Home experience. I can customize my notebook with the stickers and fill it with my notes and goals. So I guess there's a notebook using the rainbow ink pen. Oh, cool. How cool is that? Very cool. And then we have exclusive grid paper. Ooh. And, well, let's just open it and see. I will read that later. Oh, this is exciting. Isn't this pretty? Oh, there's stuff. Okay, so it's a bag on top with things in it, I think. And then we have... Oh, look at this exclusive grid paper. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at that. Stampin' Up with a kiss. Oh, that is so cool. This box is like a giant paper pumpkin box. Very cool. Very pretty. I'll have to keep that one. So this will go down here. Awesome. And let's see the books. I'm going to actually... cut that open because the glare, you know, the glare. And since it's not a whole lot of sheets, I won't be using this until OnStage for sure. But how pretty. Oh, blue is my favorite color, you know. So this looks like Pacific Point, perhaps. And then we have beautiful notebooks and things. Let's see. So this says November 2020 OnStage notebooks. Yay. So we have this little thing. Oh, it's like grid paper. So I guess we could draw a picture or stamp in it, whatever. And then we have this notebook. Almost like a slimline notebook. Pretty. I love this pattern. And then here's another one. Oh, and here's the stickers. We have a flamingo, and oh, I know why this is on here, and I may show you. We have some pelicans, and strawberries, and ice cream. This is going to be fun. And lips, and butterflies. Oh, I'm excited. This is so awesome. And this is grid paper as well. Oh, and then we have more splashed in multiple colors. It's like Pacific Point and Coastal Cabana. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Love. So far, love. All right, so then let me open this bag, which is gorgeous. It's like denim. Is it a backpack? Let me see. Oh, okay, guys. It's a tote bag, like a beach bag. And it has the Stampin' Up thing, but it opens up tall. So we have a pocket here. And then it looks like it expands, or it has a zipper pocket at the bottom even. Wow. Or maybe that's for, I don't know, a laptop or something? Or clothing down there and your other stuff inside. This is cool. This is so cool. This denim color I love. Wonder if that's a hint. Ooh, I see some things. Just a few more things, guys. So what a pretty bag. Oh, this must be the rainbow pen. OnStage 2020 pen. We usually do get little things, you know. So that's really cool. I think this is just... Oh, look, I have to show you the inside. Hang on. Here's the inside. It's got popsicles. This is definitely a beach bag. So cool theme. Loving it. This is a really pretty bag. This might be my favorite bag that I've gotten so far, and it's huge. Let me just take a ruler here. This is like about 14 inches tall by 15, about 18 or 19 inches wide, and then I don't even know, and then it opens up about, I don't know, 8 inches or so. Maybe it had it on it somewhere and I didn't see it, but it's got a pocket on both the front and the back, and then it does open up. I'm going to open up this zipper at the bottom. I don't know if that, no, it doesn't come off. Hang on. I'll show you what's in here. And then this is the bottom. And then this, oh, I guess so you could have like a little tray if you're at the beach or something. Or maybe, I don't know. And this is more like a shiny material. Maybe that's where you put your wet suits or something. Anyway, I love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Stampin' Up. And then let's see, we got some pins, collectible pins. My ones from last year are here somewhere. I just saw them the other day, and I'm not going to be able to find them for you right this moment. Hang on. Well, anyway, oh, here they are. Here they are. So we get collectible pins. So these are my ones from last year, where we had toucan sound, an umbrella, which was a hint, right? And Stampin' Up. And then this one says on stage with an ice cream cone and a whale, I believe that is. Yeah. Or dolphin, maybe. Ooh, ooh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Stop. Anyway. I'm so excited I bopped it. Yeah, so this is last year's, and this is this year's. How pretty. I really like them. Really like them. So let's look at the pen. All right. All right. Hang on. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's different colors of ink. Oh, wow. I did not expect that. So but it's not like you can choose. It's like first it's the bright pink, then the blue, then the purple, then the yellow, then the neon orange. I don't know what color that is. And the green, which maybe is just jade. Bumblebee. This looks like rich raspberry or blackberry bliss, and the blue looks like the Pacific Point. I don't know what that orange is. And the tip looks like Magenta Madness or Melon Mambo. Oh, awesome. That is so cool. And we got a stamp set, Enjoy the Moment. That's really kind of neat, huh? We got these. Oh, I love these. These would be good for right now, right? Those nosy, I call them nosy things. There's little seed pods that sort of fly down. Good things are worth waiting for. Sorry about that. Okay, so good things are worth waiting for. A little note. Enjoy the moment. Friendship is found in simple things. And happy birthday. And these are like those flowers that get that papery shell on the outside. Little fuzzy berries. And the seed pod. And some seeds and different types of seeds. Seed pods and seeds. Really, really pretty. That's called Enjoy the Moment. So there's a sneak peek at something that will be in the January to June mini catalog. And it's cling rubber. Now, so that's it for my swag box. But isn't that pretty stuff? We have our notebook, our grid paper. Let me see. Okay, the grid paper is all the same. So it's got like a rainbow at the bottom. Stampin' Up at the bottom this time. And then the grid paper up here. Love it. And I will show you. We had to, well, we didn't have to, but if we wanted to, we had the opportunity to pre-order a set. And I know I have seen other demonstrators showing this, and I was not going to. But I'll do it because I have this now I'm sharing with you. But I'm not going to make anything with you today. But there was another kit bundle type thing. Sort of like a variety bundle again. That those of us going to OnStage could order. And it was called Dandy Garden. But the stamp set is Dragonfly Garden. It's gorgeous. Let me put this down. Let's see if we can get rid of some of that glare. I don't know. So we have that. It has some ribbon. It's braided linen trim. I'm not going to open it. It's in Mossy Meadow. Now the braided linen trim in the current mini catalog, we have that in real red. It's like this. I love this stuff. It ties beautifully. So that's what that looks like. Only it's going to be in Mossy Meadow. Okay. And then we have a punch of dragonflies, and this does cut out the big one. Now, I don't know, it doesn't really cut out a little one, so I'm not sure about that. But we'll see. And then we have paper. Of course we have paper. And then one other thing, but I have to put this basket down here on the floor so I don't drop it. This paper I love. I've already punched out some butterflies. So you can see it doesn't punch the little one above it out perfectly, but it punched it out of this color, which is fine then. So I don't know if there's going to be another dragonfly paper or not. So I'll be doing some things with this, but I'm not going to do this until closer to January because this is not going to be available to you all until January. So this paper is called Dandy Garden. It's 6x6 designer paper, and it's the colors are Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, and Whisper White. See, pre-OnStage at home order 2021 January to June mini. So does it say? It doesn't really say. There's 4 of that dragonfly sheet, and we have dandelions. Make a wish, people, make a wish. Do you do that? Dandelions and the little fairies that you blow away off your dandelions, right? Have to get used to this camera. It's let me see something. There, that's a little better maybe. And then we have this one with bumblebee stripes. And here's our excuse me, Blackberry Bliss with Whisper White. Oh, Oh, I love those little dandelions on the back. And we currently in the annual catalog have a dandelion embossing folder, so I'm excited to try this while that's still available. And we have this, and the white with the bumblebee instead this time. This is bumblebee with white, and they're a little bigger, and these are smaller, white with bumblebee. And then this has a white background of the same paper as that one that had the blue. And then, ooh, giant dandelion, but they're all turned to seed, and we're gonna make lots of wishes with them. Ooh, I like this one. I have seen this obviously before. Now, there's two variations. This has smaller dragonflies in it among the dandelions. And then this is white with the mossy meadow. So I will show this again closer to January. This one has the larger dragonflies. Now I have not tried punching these out. I think these may be bigger and or smaller than the punch, but the other paper does. Oh, that's cool. Like scallops out of the dandelion wishy seeds. And we have some bumblebees. Do bumblebees like dandelions? I don't know, but they're cute. And misty moonlight. Then we have the coral. That's a really loud background. With that same dandelion design. With misty moonlight. And then we have the wishing dandelions on one side, and so you can use some of these for anything. This almost would make a really nice ocean coral instead of dandelion design, so that's what I have in mind for that. And on the other side is the misty moonlight with the whisper white. I think I had that color right. Is it Calypso Coral? Is that other coral color? So that's Calypso Coral. So there you go. I've showed you all the papers. So it's what, 12 designs for each. And one more thing, we have these adorable little ladybug trinkets in like an antique brass. Aren't they so cute? They're so cute. Now, I saw somebody putting them on with glue dots. I only watched one video with them, but they have like a hole in the bottom. I'm kind of wondering if they wouldn't be better put on with mini dimensionals and stick it in the middle there, but I'll have to try it both ways and see. I haven't played with them yet. Been a little busy. I still have things to share with you out of the current mini catalog. So this is like a bundle out of the January to June mini catalog, Dandy Garden, and this is a stamp set out of the 2021 January to June mini. So, and we will most likely be using both of these I know we will be using this, and I'm sure we'll be using this since they gave it to us in the swag box at the OnStage at Home, which is the 5th evening through the 7th. So again, I will not have a live on Friday the 6th, but I will try and have a video of some sort up for you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to let you go. I have a lot of things to do, and I'll be here Friday live at 4, not with these items, this Friday the 30th. And then I have a video going up on the 31st, and one on the 1st, and one on the 2nd, and after that I can't remember. So be sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell twice to be sure you get all notifications of when I post a video. And I'm truly excited. Stampin' Up! Is fun to be a part of as far as being a demonstrator. So thank you so much again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.